Food is one of the most intimate ways to connect with a culture. Every region has its own culinary treasures, some comforting and familiar, others downright shocking to the unprepared diner. If you're ready to push your taste buds to the limit and discover dishes that challenge convention, you've come to the right place. Here's a guide to 10 exotic foods that will surprise your palate, taking you on an unforgettable gastronomic journey across the globe. Fried tarantulas, Cambodia. Imagine biting into a crunchy, crispy spider. In Cambodia, fried tarantulas are a beloved snack, offering a mix of earthy, slightly nutty flavors. Prepared with garlic and salt, they're fried until golden brown, producing a texture reminiscent of crispy chicken skin. While the idea of eating spiders may trigger hesitation, locals swear by their addictive crunch. For the adventurous eater, fried tarantulas are a perfect combination of thrill and flavor. Century egg. China. Century eggs, also known as preserved eggs, are a staple in Chinese cuisine. These eggs are cured in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice hulls for weeks or months, resulting in a dark green yolk and gelatinous amber white egg white. The flavor is pungent, yet surprisingly creamy, with hints of ammonia that challenge the palate. Served with congee or pickled ginger, century eggs represent centuries of culinary tradition and ingenuity. Kopi Luwak. Indonesia. Though technically a drink, kopi luwak or civet coffee deserves mention. Produced from coffee beans eaten and excreted by civet cats, the beans are collected, cleaned, and roasted. The result is one of the smoothest, most expensive coffees in the world. Its unique production method creates a flavor profile rich in chocolatey, earthy undertones. Drinking kopi luwak is an exotic experience that tantalizes the senses and sparks curiosity about unconventional culinary techniques. Huitlucoche. Mexico, also known as corn smut. Huitlucoche is a fungal growth on corn that many would call a blight, but in Mexico, it is a delicacy. Its smoky, earthy flavor is celebrated in quesadillas and tamales. Huitlucoche's unique taste is a blend of mushrooms and sweet corn, creating a complex, unforgettable flavor. For those unafraid of fungal cuisine, it's a surprising and luxurious taste of Mexican gastronomy. Rocky Mountain oysters. USA. Despite the name, Rocky Mountain oysters are not seafood. They are bull testicles. Popular in the western United States, they are typically peeled, coated in flour, and deep-fried to create a crispy exterior with a tender interior. The dish has a nutty, rich flavor, and is often served with dipping sauces. Eating them is as much a test of courage as it is a culinary adventure, revealing the daring creativity of regional cuisine. Akutak, Alaska, USA. Known as Eskimo ice cream, akutak is a traditional Alaskan dish made from whipped fat, usually from reindeer, moose, or seal, combined with berries and sometimes sugar. Its texture is creamy and fluffy, with a slightly gamey flavor, offset by the sweetness of berries. Akutak may sound unusual to outsiders, but it's an energy-packed treat and a vital part of Alaskan indigenous culture. Trying it offers insight into survival food turned into culinary art. Surströmming. Sweetened surströmming is fermented Baltic herring, notorious for its strong smell. Often canned and eaten outdoors, its pungent aroma is powerful enough to knock out the unprepared diner. Yet the taste, when paired with crisp bread and potatoes, can be surprisingly delicate and rich. Surströmming is a lesson in how fermentation transforms flavors and textures. Experiencing it is an unforgettable immersion into Scandinavian tradition. Chapulines. Mexico. Grasshoppers, known as chapulines in Mexico, are a crunchy, protein-packed snack seasoned with chili, garlic, lime, and salt. They are enjoyed in tacos or as a standalone treat. The combination of spiciness and earthy insect flavor offers an addictive, crispy texture. Chapulines provide a glimpse into sustainable and traditional Mexican eating habits, proving that insects can be both nutritious and delicious. Pasha, Peru. Pasha is a traditional Peruvian dish featuring kai, or guinea pig, often roasted or fried. Guinea pigs have been consumed in the Andes for centuries and are considered a delicacy during festivals. The meat is tender, flavorful, and rich, offering a unique taste unlike any conventional meat. Eating pasha is a cultural immersion, connecting diners to centuries of Andean culinary history. Bitterballen. Netherlands. Bitterballen are deep-fried Dutch croquettes, typically filled with a mixture of beef or veal ragu. While less shocking than other dishes on this list, they remain exotic to those unfamiliar with Dutch cuisine. Crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside, bitterballen provide comfort and surprise in every bite. They are often paired with mustard and enjoyed as bar snacks, illustrating how familiarity can still hold exotic appeal. Exploring exotic foods is more than sampling unusual flavors. It's about embracing history, culture, and adventure. Each dish described here challenges preconceptions, inviting diners to open their minds while indulging in culinary artistry. Whether it's the thrill of biting into a spider, savoring century-old eggs, or tasting a fermented fish, these experiences create lasting memories and stories worth sharing. Adventurous eaters know that eating exotic foods isn't just about shock value, it's a gateway to understanding diverse cultures. From the highlands of Peru to the streets of Cambodia, These foods reflect regional customs, climate, and available ingredients. Trying them expands not just your palate, but your appreciation for human ingenuity in cuisine. Food has the power to surprise, delight, and even challenge you. These 10 dishes prove that courage, curiosity, and an open mind are essential ingredients in a truly memorable gastronomic journey. So the next time you encounter something unfamiliar on a menu, consider it an invitation. Taste it, experience it, celebrate the unknown. In a world where dining can be as adventurous as travel, these exotic foods remind us that cuisine is a universal language, connecting people across continents. Each bite tells a story of tradition, environment, and human creativity. For those brave enough to taste, the rewards are more than flavor, they're insight, cultural connection, and memories that last a lifetime. So, are you ready to take your taste buds on the ultimate adventure? Every dish on this list is not just a meal, it's a challenge, an experience, and a journey. From fried tarantulas to century eggs, from fermented fish to the humble grasshopper, the world is filled with flavors waiting to surprise and delight. Take a bite, and let your palate discover the extraordinary.